素时未晚 vegan way of life.
Welcome everyone and thank you so much for all your creative ideas. We had such a good time scrolling through all those interesting, strange things like laksa,
Ice cream.
yeah. But there can only be one winner, and who is that winner?
The winner is Andy Sue. Thank you so much for your creative idea. So today we are going to do vegan laksa meatball.
We have taken this time to come up with a recipe just for you.
Yeah, so don't talk so much. Let's go.
So to make the vegan meatballs, you're gonna need, of course, our legendary Penang Asam Laksa paste, Shitake Mushroom, carrots, tempeh, some salt and pepper, black pepper, and optional is Omni Meat. Firstly, we're gonna need to slice the tempeh so that we can blend it.
OK， 所以呢，现在是 after blend 那个 tempeh， 然后我们就把 tempeh 拿出来倒在这个碗。那把 tempeh 倒在这个碗过后呢，然后我们可以加入 Omni Meat。OK，if 你没有买 Omni Meat 的话，不用加也是可以的。
If you do decide to use Omni Meat, you want to make sure that you put in the same portion as your tempeh.
OK， 非常好。那我们今天把 Omni Meat 加下去了嘛，然后就把我们切好的 Shitake Mushroom 还有我们的 carrot 一起倒进去。
Now for the most important ingredient, Penang Asam Laksa. Pinxin's Penang Asam Laksa paste is already very tasty, very fragrant. But if you're a person who needs a little bit more salt, you can always add some salt and some pepper. If you feel like you are good without it, you don't have to. So this is what you want your vegan meatball to look like. You're going to have a tray and you're going to line it with baking paper. So this is how you do it. You take a scoop, you place it onto your hand, and you're going to throw it side to side until it becomes a ball. So here we have it. This is our vegan laksa meatballs made from scratch.
Yes.
Yes.
So are we going to try now?
I think we should.
Okay, let's have one. Wow, look very nice then. Cheers.
Cheers.
Wow, full of laksa taste.
Yeah.
The first into your mouth, the laksa taste is really boom out.
Boom. Oh. Wait. I'm mindfully eating.
Okay. Right, really boom out. And the laksa in your mouth is like keep on.
Oh, not bad, huh?
Very nice. So we are going to share this with our team also. Yeah, let them to tell us that it is successful now. Please give us a like and we will see you in next week in our next creative video.
And let us know if you tried this recipe for yourself. Maybe you found something new that we don't know. Share with us what you think about our vegan laksa meatballs. Thank you.
With our Pinxin paste.